generate more than 10 PME topics para pagpilian natin. So, I inviting the group, mag-apply na kayo ng PME, and yours truly, I will volunteer myself to be your coach. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you very
Thank you
much,
for
Sir
the
Bert.
appreciative words, sir.
So, last question.
Wait, basically, what you mentioned, sir, the topics we mentioned is just scratch on the surface. There is a deeper topics that if you want, we can discuss it in detail.
Line up natin, Sir Jacob, next year. Okay. Last. Siguro yung mga susunod, ano na lang, through email na lang.
Anyway, I don't know if it's appropriate to answer here. My question is referring to the if you're familiar